the opening day of Mido Milano with Amsterdam Fashion TV. Hi Christian, what are you doing here? Can you tell me a little bit about the activities?
We are Safilo, of course, and we want to reproduce the atelier and our mineshaft craft that we have inside our company.
Can you show me a little bit what you do inside?
Yes, with pleasure. So we start with the drawing. We cut the material that we need with the CNC machine, but the big work is by hand. In this case, we have the style, limited edition, Carrera style. We start with the raw material, with the acetate raw material. We cut with the CNC the shape, but also in this case, the big work is with the hand for the section, for the smooth, for the other activity that we need. So we start with the CNC machine to cut the shape, and by hand we have the final result. In this case we have the Oxido, also our core brand. In this year we start with this segment, is the metal, the combination with the metal and the 3D printing material. We move in the other segment. In this case we have the height level because we have the collaboration with Elisab design. This is the Elisab style. For example, we make a limited edition. This model is the first time that we have the haute couture fashion show, and this is the style with a lot of work by hand.
It's beautiful, and it's also nice to see, you know, people working and how it's made, because a lot of people, they don't know how the sunglasses really are made.
Yes, we have a lot of activity, so we have the combine different style for our eyewear. Okay.
Thank you so much for this interview.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Pleasure is ours. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, we're here today at the Italia Independent Store with Lapo Elkan. Hi Lapo, how are you?
Hi, how are you? We are in the booth at Mido, which is the most important eyewear fair in the world. We're here in my booth of Italia Independent. We have the eyewear we did for the 60-year anniversary of the Fiat 500, the watches and the eyewear of the collaboration Rubinacci, Hublot, Italia Independent. We have also the products that we do with Pinko. And then we have all our family of products, from Popline to Me, Myself and I.
Tell me a little bit about Me, Myself and I.
Because it allows the consumer to play and set the glasses whichever way he wants. So with specific materials that you can put on the glasses or take out, you can build your own glasses. I like to personalize everything I have and everything I wear and everything I have on myself. So to better fit who I am, my personality, and the life I lead, having an eyewear who allows me to be who I want, when I want, whichever place, time, and country is extremely important, you know?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Lapo.
I hope to see you soon.
Thank you. I'm here with Giovanni Garlino from Italia Independent. You are the CEO of the company. And I would like to know something about your upcoming projects.
Right. Yes. First of all, we are coming out from 2016, which was a difficult year for us because we had to change several aspects of our operations. And now we look at 2017 as a change year and to the strengths of Italian Independent. We have amazing collaboration with Adidas, with Hublot, top-notch companies. And on our core business, I think with the new collection, we are really in good shape to have a great year.
What is on your wish list?
Now, I think that there are regions like the Emirates, which are for us very, very good, where we could do a lot more and a lot better.
Thank you so much for this interview.
You're welcome. Thanks.
I'm here with Mabel with her project Drama is Like Life. Can you tell me a little bit about your project?
Yeah, sure. Because this product is made by our high definition technology. That is our patent technology. And actually, the product is inspiration from our Chinese drummer. With the mask, we can put on with magnetic. So it's a very one of our traditional special drama in China. You show the color and different application like the stone. So it's amazing.
I really would love to try it on. May I? Well, I love it, definitely. Thank you so much, Mabel.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm here at Mido with the president, Mr. Cirillo Marcolin. So, Cirillo, tell me a little bit about Mido and the project.
Mido has, since many years, is still today the most important show over the world. There are so many company exhibitors represented, 1,200 participating this year. I would say that someone from the industry has to come to see Mido.
How do you see Mido in 5 years from now?
My hope is that we keep staying where we are by improving every single year, presenting and proposing new things to adapt to the market, they change every year, and being able to stay where we are as the most successful edition.
I saw that you are as well working with emerging designers.
We need to do that if we want to keep the leader. If we want to stay where we are today, we need to bring everything that is new. The young people will be better than the companies that are consolidated today because they bring something new on the table. And I think that it's important also that this show helps them to come. That's why we set up, in part of Pavilion Moa, the Lab Academy, where we invite the startup company, and these young people, young guys, can come for the first time and propose their product. And maybe one day there will be a big company.
Thank you for this interview, Mr. Marcolin.
Thank you to you.
I'm here with Gabriele Puglia at the stand of G7 Stars at Mido. Hi, Gabriele.
Hi, Graziella. Thank you very much for coming here.
Can you tell me a little bit about your sunglasses? Why they are so special?
I think they are so special because they are made from the heart. I made this new brand with passion because I really love frames, sunglasses, the high quality and the real made in Italy. And all the designs are made by me. The materials are nylon, so very strong, elastic.
I saw also that you did some collaborations, for example, with Au Jour le Jour.
Yes.
And also with some other people. And I really love those frames.
We did this collaboration with the brand Au Jour le Jour, as you told. And we just applied their printings on our frame, Stromboli, on our shape. In this case is ducks, the printings, but we used also pandas, ostrich, T-Rex, gorillas, hyenas, and this is the fantasy of the designers. But this is the combination of two young new brands.
This is, let's say, a jewel with the shape of a frame. This is how I like to call it. It is a frame made out of marble, in this case made out of a semi-precious stone, with the hinges galvanized in white gold, palladium in this case, and with a very precious internal skeleton made out of carbon fiber. We started along with an aerospace laboratory. So we sort of melted arts with innovation. So a real piece of art with a real piece of high-end precision engineering.
And how can it be that the frame is so light?
Well, it's actually thanks to the carbon fiber. We start from a piece of solid marble. It is a 2 centimeters piece of solid marble, real marble, non-recomposed. And then we started carving it down until reaching a thickness of 0.8 millimeters. So it's like how we like to call it marble skin. And you achieve that resistance and that lightness thanks to the carbon fiber. It's something that I like to say is for few, forever. a status symbol, something that can enhance your beauty and can make you feel a precious person.
Could you tell me something about the colors and the shapes that the collection has?
Absolutely. At the moment we have 8 shapes plus one that we are launching now in a sort of world preview, and that will be officially launched at the Milan Design Week. All of the shapes can go with 2 different temples, one obviously in marble and one in a special leak called the Siderium we studied, and that is even lighter than alloy, so it's very precious and it's coming from the aerospace world. Now you see here 27 marbles and 9 semi-precious stones. All of the frames can be combined, so the shapes can be combined in each of the stone you like. And this means that you will get to create a frame that will be extremely unique and, as we like to call, unique as you are, reflecting your personality.
That's really amazing. I am looking at the purple stone. That's amethyst, I suppose.
Yes, this is amethyst. This is one of our best sellers, along with lapis. And we also like to work on crystal therapy with it. Yeah, we've got several customers who like to have a frame with amethyst because, you know, it is such a precious stone that gives you relax and wisdom, and it helps a lot in staying relaxed.
Thank you so much for this interview.
You're very welcome, and thanks to you for having worn this wonderful piece of art.
Thank you. I'm standing here with Silvia Pevano, who's working for Mido, and you are occupying yourself with the social media of Mido. Can you tell me something about the social media of Mido?
Yeah, of course. We have 8 channels. We usually post a lot on Instagram. It's a great work because it's a challenge. It's not simple to use a social network with B2B, but I think we are making a great job.
What is your strategy?
We are trying to make a different kind of posts between exhibitors and visitors, different kind of strategies, of course. For example, Mido Smile is one special for visitors. It's a very funny way to involve them. And we also have a Live the Wonder for VIPs and fashion blogger and something like that. We have different kind for each kind of person that is here in Mido.
Do you work as well with magazines?
Yeah, of course. We have a great press office. It's a very strategy in different ways, and we have a strong link with the press.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to you. Bye.
You're occupying yourself with the communication of Mido. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yes, my agency, Mailander, is a PR communication agency based in Turin and Milan. We started working with Mido 2.5 years ago. It was a big and important project we built up together with Mido in order to promote the fair, not only to the trade sector, but even to the lifestyle media.
And how are the strategies that you implement into this market?
We stick to the traditional media as they are pretty important for the promotion of such fair. On the other hand, we implemented with the digital communication. Our spin-off RD, we invited a lot of bloggers and social dealers for the media. Hopefully we will do some new things for the next year as well. Mido is a very important fair. They pay a lot of attention of this kind. This area is called Lab Academy. Personally, it's my favorite part of the fair because they permit to the young designers. So they are kind of, how can I say, trendsetters.
Thank you so much, Damir, for this interview, and my compliments for your work.
Oh, thank you, and thank you indeed for being here with us. Hope to have you next year as well.